To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to animate AI images using Pika Labs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to animate AI images using Pika Labs, then all you got to do is simply go to Pika Labs. Once you're in your Pika Labs, to animate AI images, you need to simply either use its web platform or the Discord bot. So the process involves uploading your image and adding text prompt or using built-in controls to guide in the animation. You need to access the Pika Labs. You need to simply go to Pika Arts, which is the official website portal, and once you're in the Pika Arts section, or if you're using your Discord, you can just join the Pika Lab server, upload your image, and then add a text prompt. Like, for example, a cat running through a field, or like cinematic shots, subtle smoke effects, and stuff like that. And you can simply refine your settings as well, which is completely optional, and then you can generate and refine the picture. So this is how you can simply animate AI images using Pika Labs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.